Yo, what's up guys, it's Ludwig. I'm back with another video yet again. We got some nice mods to do for the car. Very simple, but very drastic mods, I'd say. Today we are going to be doing a rear wiper delete using this. This is a sort of wiper delete kit I got off AliExpress for like around $3. As you can see, this thing right here is sort of the only thing left until the car, until the rear is completely clean and sort of shaved. In the future, I want to get like a parts car, you know, pre-facelift, in case I want to do a front end swap to the pre-facelift version. So we are going to be installing this today, removing this whole thing right here, because honestly, even when it's raining, I never use this. Like, I never ever do it. So we are going to be doing that. The other part today actually is I'm going to clean up my mud flaps for the car. I actually took these off when I did my sort of $400 transformation video. Not many, you know, super exciting mods today. And you do have like moments like that with your project or whatever, you know. Not every single mod has to be expensive and, you know, big effect or, you know, big transformation type stuff. But yeah, for now we are just going to be getting to installing this. So what I believe you need to do here, I've like watched one video before, and all you need to do is just pull this up. I feel like it's held on by, yep, like that, this cover right here, and that's off. You just need to pull it out. So we're gonna be putting that there, and then we have, actually, let me show you guys. You have like a small little nut there that you have to get off, of course. And whoa, there we go. I'm gonna put it there. All right, so the wiper is off. So all you need to do is you have to just, with some force, like, you're just gonna have to screw it off. As you can see, these screws here, you just have to take these off. All of this, as you can see, it's a whole row going around. After that, you can just take this whole panel off. And after that, you get access to the rear wiper. Then you can just, you know, unplug it and all that stuff, and you're good. Come on. Oh, there's another one here. No! Where did the screw go? There we go. Next step is very simple. What you're gonna be doing next is you are gonna be removing these screws here. Not these bolts here. And you're just gonna disconnect all of this, all of that. Just gonna disconnect this connector there and everything else around it, and you're good to go. So let's just do that. Off. Here's the whole motor. Whoa, there we go. We got it. Wow. I mean, it's turning out pretty clean now, isn't it? Come on. So now the plan is we are gonna get to painting it. So this thing is actually pretty simple. The whole thing is held on by this little lug nut right here. And then the whole thing, this is the part that I'm gonna be painting this. And then you have these little rubber O-rings to ensure, you know, it doesn't leak or anything like that. So the way this works is this is gonna be on the inside of the trunk, and then you're just gonna sandwich it, and then as you can see, it's gonna be like this, and the trunk is gonna be in between these two. So that's a pretty simple thing. Much better. As you can see, fully black. Very nice. Alright, we are back the next day. All the parts have been drying overnight. So we can just remove all the tape here. Boom, like this. Turned out pretty good. Nice. Super nice. I mean, look at this. So this just pops off. Off you go. Gonna spray this all over. And just like that, it's on. Take a look. This did so much. Like, just the smallest thing can do so much on your car. Alright, what's up guys? We are back the next day. I have successfully put on all the parts. Yesterday it got too dark, but I installed the mud flaps anyway, just to see how it looks. And so everything is, on correctly. So that's that. And yeah, it's looking very good so far actually. I really prefer the look with the mud flaps, and the wiper delete came out perfect. So let me show you guys real quick. Take a look at that. Sheesh. Take a look at this. Yeah, it looks fantastic. Super clean. And as you can see, mud flaps as well. Painted them and they are very mint looking. Super happy with the result. And yeah, that's the car so far. This video was sort of a shorter one, but I feel like it did a lot for the car. Next week we got actually even more parts from Japan coming. So that's very fun. And it's gonna do the whole exterior, I feel like. So yeah, I'm super pumped for that. Car looks fantastic. It could use another set of wheels, but that's for the future of course, when I have more money. But for a budget build, this is turning out super good. This is my little car, very nice background as well. Sheesh. As mentioned, I have more parts coming, and we are actually gonna be prepping for winter soon, so do stay tuned for that as well. And I just want to say yet again, thank you guys so much for the support. I just checked, today is Friday. You're gonna see this on Sunday, and after I'm at 70 subscribers, 71 even, I believe. So thank you guys so much for the support. The recent short has popped off so much. Super happy about that. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you want to see more content like this, installs, just lifestyle stuff, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to look after yourselves, and I'll see you next week.